Rich, the customer support specialist at H2O Utility, has spent a bit of time making sure the Engage web platform is set up with their billing accounts and ensuring a few properties are ready to go for his first 3 Subeca pins. Now, he's ready to plan the actual install. Rich needs a few things as he's heading out into the field for the install. His mobile device with the Subeca Engage app installed, his 1/4-inch drive ratcheting wrench, a T25 Torx security bit, and of course, his Subeca pins. To make sure he's ready to go, Rich logs into the Subeca mobile app before heading out. The mobile app is his home for installing devices and configuring their settings to match his actual meters out in the field. Rich looks up his utility name, which he finds in his Engage platform URL and his email invite, pure_H2O. He enters his utility name and the same username and password that he used on the web version of Engage. Let's get out into the field with Rich. Once on site, Rich makes sure he has a cellular connection to his phone to have a smooth install. Since he's got a solid connection at this location, he opens up his meter pit and the Subeca Engage app. To get started installing his first device, Rich clicks Install New Device. He selects the account from the drop-down that matches the meter location he's currently at, as that is his unique billing identifier for this meter. Based on the account he selects, he then sees the meter info he entered in the Engage web platform when setting up the account. If needed, he can update the meter info to make sure it matches what's actually in the field. Looking at his existing meter register, he types the last meter reading into the Engage app and selects the unit of measure to match. After confirming, he scans the QR code on the Subeca pin to tie the pin to his meter and selects the network he wants the pin to communicate over. Since Rich has tested the sidewalk connectivity in his area, he knows sidewalk is the way to go for this meter. He wants the pin to pick up right where his current register left off, so he picks that option and confirms the settings that he's entered are correct. He hits the confirm button and waits a few seconds while the device is set up, tracking the progress step by step. Rich has just configured his first Subeca pin for install in a matter of minutes. Now, Rich is ready to physically install the first Subeca pin where the current register sits. Let's jump to our installation videos to see how Rich can get that done.